This Coldwell Banker Segerstrom property video is presented by Jennifer Penrose BRE number 01013957, LIC number 01943221. Affordable country living. Double wide mobile home that sits on 1.57 usable acreage. Nestled in a quiet location with plenty of privacy. Take in the fresh air and enjoy nature. There is plenty of space for animals, and if you are into gardening, this is the perfect spot. There are many possibilities. Properties like this don't come up too often in this area. This is an older mobile home and sits on an engineered foundation. Price to sale. Close to the Teleli Golf Course, historic downtown Sonora, schools, and shopping. Great opportunity to live in the Sierra Foothills. For more information, review the details below or contact Jennifer Penrose BRE number 01013957, LIC number 01943221 at 209-694-3066.